Welcome to the Veterinary Marketing Podcast, where it's all about how to attract, engage, and retain clients to your veterinary hospital using digital marketing. My name is Brandon Brashears, and today's episode 239 and a half, we are talking about conversions, specifically with Google Analytics 4, and it's just a quick in-between episode that's going to help you to understand a couple things that I think are really important about this. Old analytics are going away, Google Analytics 4 are coming out, and they are actually really cool. They're very different, which makes it a little bit complicated, but it's very cool. So let's jump into today's episode. So first thing, if you're not already subscribed, please do so in iTunes, Google Play, Spotify, or wherever you get your podcast from. If you're listening in Spotify, could you do me a huge favor and leave me a review? That'd be helpful. Spotify just recently added reviews here, so that would be great to help other people that are also in the veterinary industry who want to learn how to grow their practice, get more info. So I appreciate you for doing that. Let's jump into today's episode. So Google Analytics 4 is the newest version of Google Analytics. And I think it's exciting because it points to how Google is approaching their data. The way that Google Analytics 4 communicates with Google Ads and Google My Business and all of these related products, Google Tag Manager, is getting better and better. And it's actually very exciting. It's allowing each product to communicate with each other and not be such islands that are kind of separate. And there's a few different ways to do things, and you could try to patch it together. In the past, it seems like a lot of these products didn't fit together like they should and as seamlessly as they should. With Google Analytics 4, you can easily create events and use those events as conversion actions inside of your Google AdWords. You're able to track a lot more cool things, and I just kind of wanted to give you an idea of what's possible. There's a lot of cool new features. You can do scroll tracking. You can do events for downloads or video views, page views, button clicks. There's just basically any event that is labeled. So if somebody clicks a button or hits submit or pushes the phone number, all of those things can be labeled as conversions, and so they can be measured. And so we can measure our source, where that traffic is coming from, how it's interacting. And they also have a new integration that they call smart integrations. And what this is, it basically follows all of the traffic on your site and will automatically apply its best guess as to whether or not this activity that the person is doing is going to lead to a conversion. So it's very, very cool, and I think there's just a lot of really good things coming out with it. If you're not sure if you're on Google Analytics 4 or not, I'd say definitely check it out. Go into your Google Analytics and look around. And you have to upgrade by July 1st, 2023. That's when Google Analytics old version's going away, so it's coming. I'm going to be doing a training this month, September 15th, on Google Analytics. It's going to be put into the library, so if you're not listening to this in the future, you can go access that in the future. But the best place to get info on that training is in my Facebook group, The Veterinary Marketing Nerds. So if you go to facebook.com/groups/The Veterinary Marketing Nerds, you can see all about that event. I'm going to have special pricing for the pre-offer that's coming out here. If you're a current client and I'm managing ads for you, you can, as always, access the training for free. But if not, you can also buy access to that training. So I hope you're having a great day, and we'll see you on the next episode. Bye, everybody.